oh yeah, we want to do an AI thing, right? Like, oh, let's adopt, let's bring it
Yeah.
in, right? But true adoption, like meaning the workers and the users, the people in the actually using it is not
Mm.
matching, right?
Yeah.
And because humans fundamentally feel the threat, right? A lot of people feel threatened by it. Like, oh, now my organization is really trying to do like a full on AI transformation,
Yeah.
redesigning some of the processes. And so then what does that mean? Where do I come in now? Like what will be my role if a thing
Mm.
can do my job? Like, like the example that you gave me about HR using AI tools to sift through
Mm.
candidates, right? So then what? Then what's my role, right? And there is some resistance in that, right? And so the 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 whole challenge now is not about how to build AI. It's more of how can humans and people partner with AI and truly see it as a partner versus like an enemy or something to be threatened by, right? And I think that's why, and for organizations and for people who are looking at again implementing AI within their organization, they will have to really have to understand people. They have to understand how are you gonna help your people within your organization to transit, right? And how are you gonna redesign, right? And there's a whole lot of what we call like um, redesign, sort of like job redesign in Singapore right now with regards to AI. A lot of things is now going back to people. So even if you have so many AI products, if no one is using it, then is that truly an AI first organization or is it just a shell?
Exactly. And I think a lot of companies, they're looking at other companies implementing AI. Some have been using AI and machine learning models for a long time. We just didn't label it that way because it wasn't the hype that is right now. But then some of the companies that are trying to keep up with the speed of this, I think this is where they go wrong, where just because you have data doesn't mean
Mm,
you have to use that data, you know? Just because you
mm.
stored, because some companies are legacy companies, they have data that goes back 20, 30, 40 years. So I would say just be very, as a designer as well, raise those questions in terms of what value would that bring even if we design it, because you can spend time working on these for weeks and months, but then it's just going to be sitting there for no reason.
I think we've been speaking in like actually many different levels. Like we're speaking like
Yeah.
on a um, you know, uh, individual level to
Yeah.
organization level, but there's also like the policy, government, national level,
Yeah.
right? And we're seeing a lot of that as well, right?
Yeah.
So our Prime Minister of Singapore, he recently talked about national AI mission at the budget 2026, where it's actually a national AI impact program to transit like I think like a lot of SMEs. I'm thinking about, can't remember,
Mm.
10,000, 5,000 SMEs from like the tech experimentation phase to
Mm.
to what he says something along the lines of integration, like workflow integration, right?
Mm.
So what this means is that, as to the point that I was saying earlier again, like AI adoption, right? It's a big thing. It's on a lot of organizations' agenda. Um, but for us to be able to do that successfully, we kind of like need to understand people and help people also to transit from like playing with it or at least understanding the impact of it or the power of it and to see if it works or if it fits, right? And if not, how can we redesign their role, right, in the organization? So it all circles back to again human people.
Yeah.
I feel that's truly it.